about the challenges that we face in an AI to use in cybersecurity. So there are the lots of challenges that we have by using the AI in the cybersecurity. First one is which is data biases. So what is this? So when we train our data on a certain types of data set, our trained model can be create a false positive of certain things. Also data the trained database can be misthread, or like it can be generate a wrong pattern, or generate a wrong way of thinking on a particular event, which will overwhelm our security teams also. So like it's don't help analyzing the security alert. Basically it just create a false predictions, or by misleading the security teams. So we need to we have this challenge, so we need to take care of that also. Then we have a computational cost that is very high in training the AI, which is like running sophisticated AI models, or which require a significant processing power and energy consumption. Because of the cutting budget in containing for a similar organization, it will be very difficult for manage on the operational environment to run 24/7 these models, which has a high budget and a high power and energy efficient. So another challenge that we have is in black box decision. So many AI systems can't explain why they flagged something as suspicious, because they don't provide you the backing of the answer. They just predict some answer based on the training, and they just don't validate the answer and verify the accuracy of it. So it will also lead us to some mistakes that it can make during the analysis. AI as an attack surface. So the AI systems also it is system protecting our network become high valuable target, because it can also be targeted by the attackers, by the malicious actors, to bypass this AI system, to some kind of poison that system, so that they can generate a they can bypass that system. So it also can give a attacker another surface of attack, which is an AI system, which have some vulnerability in it. So this is also be a important point that we should or challenge we should consider we face in an AI in a cybersecurity.